Good morning, everybody. Now, you haven't seen me for a long time because we've moved house again, and we're in the progress of refurbishing the house. But today's subject is all about our log cabin that we bought from Dunster House. So here it is, you're looking at the moment. This was delivered to us on the 22nd of August. Within a day or two, we started to build it. And this all was built in one day last week. So after getting to this stage, our carpenter notified us that two parts are missing. I'm going to show you the parts. All right, as you can see on the floor, they're all the roof and everything, and the windows are inside the house keeping dry. But within a day of putting this up, it pelted down with rain, and 4 o'clock in the morning we had to get out of our bed to cover it up. So as you can see, inside we are. The floor, we stopped doing the floor because what we've done already had got wet. So we thought it's no point in doing the rest of it. So here's our floor getting damaged by the rain. So today it's forecast to pour down again. So we put the tarpaulin up as best we can. It doesn't fit, but at least it will save some of the floor. The rest hasn't been done. Now, we've notified the company and they are not much help. Now, here it is. Let me see, the section which is missing is that section there. Two of these things are missing, and because of that, the roof cannot go up. So we're stuck. It's been a whole week. What did the company say? We have to wait because the part has to be made. We've asked the question, when will it be made? I phoned them and they will give us no answers. We just have to wait and be patient. And then in the end, they told us just cover it up. So we have covered it up with this at the moment, but it's scheduled to rain. And as you can see, there is holes in it, so it's still gonna come through. Now, I just rang them a moment ago and gave them my order number and details and said yes, because we also told them to come and get it. Goods returned, we want to return it. So they've ignored the fact that we want to return it. So I've just been told by the reception that it is in hand and the head office is taking control, but nobody wants to talk to us. Now, this log cabin, we've paid over £6,000 for it, and it's getting ruined. Getting ruined. What would you do in this case? Nobody wants to talk to us. We haven't got a date, whether the part's been made. We haven't got a date on how long it's going to take to be delivered, but we've got to just sit here and wait. The carpenter is not here today because he can't do anything. So it's held up. Now, this is my new workroom. It is small, but my garden is smaller than usual. So I've got to put up with this before I can return to work. So this is just a warning. When you buy a log cabin, everything doesn't go to plan. What can we do?